Hey Brian, Ronny here. So there is a way to do this, but you will need Canva for work in order for this to work. So let me show you quickly. So first, let me grab some text. Just use the T and let's write reflection like you had previously. Let's make this bigger. So I'm going to use a custom, not a custom font, but a Canva font, maybe League Spartan, to have kind of a big font. Make this bigger to maybe 80. That's too big. Let's make this 60. Okay. Okay, reflection. And this is here. Now we are going to add a photo in the background. So maybe a lake like you had, right? This lake looks nice. Oh, it's a paid photo, so I'm going to import a free one. Okay, so this one. I'm just doing this very quickly. This is not what's important, but all right. And I'm going to push that in the background, change the color to white. All right, so now we have this. So what you want to do is to reflect this in the water, right? So to flip it. And indeed, it's not possible to flip text. So what you need to do is to copy this. I'm going to get rid of the background. So the text is still here. I'm going to export that, as a PNG with transparent background. This is page number 2. Okay, so I'm downloading this. And for this, of course, you need Canva for work. This won't work with the free version of Canva. Now I'm going to save this as reflection on my desktop. That's cool. And finally, I'm going to grab this and import it back into Canva. That way, I can use this now as a photo. So if I import it once again on this document, so the first page, there it is. You have to make sure you scale it exactly as before. So you have to position it in the corner and drag it so it's exactly there. And what you can do now, you can flip this vertically and horizontally as you wish. So there you go. That's how you achieve the result you were saying, and then you can fine-tune this by aligning it as you wish. So I hope this answers your question. Quick tip, but you need Canva for work.